Good morning. Exploring new water, new territory, Crystal River fishing. Look at the hole in the cloud. You got a little gag groover, sweet. There you go. Oh, look at you. By the way, this is our first trip out of Crystal River. Yankeetown, Florida.
Little gag. With
the skiff. Got him a little gag.
Ooh.
Nice.
Hey, give me another shrimp there.
Hi, Captain.
See, there's a big...
Oh
my God, no.
Your gags are getting a little bit bigger there, Skipjack.
No, dude.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
He's still too small, but it's nice.
He's a beauty.
There you go. What you got? Oh, get it. It's a nice trout.
We should have kept that grunt, huh? Could have had him.
Man, look at that sunset. Look at that sky. Just beautiful. So day 2 out of Crystal River.
Peace, buddy. There we go. Oh, look, there's something right there.
Where do you see porpoises? Oh yeah, there's some.
See it right there?
Yeah, there's some porpoises. Oh, there they go. Oh, right up in the river. Sweet.
Do you film with a wide eye or the regular?
Regular. Oh. It's a GoPro because you know it's you got to be close. Look at this bait ball. This bait is just getting attacked by something. Wow. You got it, Lou?
A mac.
Nice mac.
Open that cooler.
Oh. Hold on, I'm trying to film.
Wait, you
I'm not over him.
You're lying.
I'm not over him. What's a nice one? Well, we got, what is that, 3 nice ones?
Yeah, come on, let's go. We're gonna get it.
I don't know if this camera can see this, but we are completely fogged in. We can't see markers, we can't see other boats, we can't see anything. But it'd be interesting to see if this camera can pick up the fog. We're not lost.
If you get this message, send help.
That's the most curious I've ever seen Mochi get. There we go.
Okay.
Hey, just a reminder, if you enjoy your freedoms on this Veterans Day weekend, make sure you thank a veteran. Breakfast at Red's. Well, we're enjoying the Homosassa Seafood Festival and Arts and Crafts today. I'll get these 2 shopping. Look at what?
The Highland cow.
Yeah. What you doing, Christy?
It has problems with it.
Well, our Veterans Day weekend is coming to an end. We're gonna do some burgers on the green egg. We have some stone crabs. So here's our surf and turf. We got some hamburgers. We got stone crab. Oh yeah.
Where they at? It's cold.
And very happy.
Here.
And until the next video, we'll see you later.